Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 22nd of February 2024. I'm here to discuss with you the key points of importance, key levels of importance for all the Forex majors, and also for gold, Brent, Bitcoin, and New Zealand CAD. So, in 15 minutes or so, I will be covering all the major points of inflection, as well as I'll be telling you what is the daily bias in all the Forex majors. Before I start this webinar, I must tell you that there is certain risk that is involved in trading the Forex on margin. So please understand the risk that is involved. I am showing it to you on your screen. You can pause the video here, understand the risk involved, and then we can continue to the session. Before I start, I must also tell you that this live stream is only for information or knowledge. It has nothing to do with the trading. I mean, you cannot take it as a trading advice, but yes, you can understand this. If it works for you, you can implement it for you. But in any case, you have to do your own research before you put your money on the line. And also, I must tell you that I am not an employee of Dukascopy Bank. Therefore, whatever I am going to discuss here, it has nothing to do with the Dukascopy Bank. Everything that I say is my own analysis, my own opinion. Let me log in into the platform, please. All right, so here we have well guys, this is not the chart that I wanted to show you. The chart that I wanted to show is the dollar index. Now, yesterday only we have pointed out from here that the bias is bearish and there is a high probability that the price will go towards 102.75. Now, price went lower but was immediately bought back, and now the price is actually trading higher than its opening. This is a sign of bullishness. If the price manages to close above 103.78, it may turn into a bullish price action, although from the bias or from the price action point of view, the price is making lower highs and lower lows, so it may also continue further south. But see, the price rose higher than the opening price, so it might turn bullish very soon. But from the market structure point of view, the price is bearish and it can be bearish till 104.89. Now this one is the euro. I said that euro, although it is rising, but it may find resistance in this zone. This was my earlier position, and now again that has happened. But anyways, from the price structure point of view, the market is rising, has made a higher high than the previous one. So expect I think bullishness only in this market above 1.0695. So now for me, the level of resistance is 1.0897, which is the target for me, and the support may be seen around where the price is trading right now, 1.0805 in this one. Talking about the pound is also bearish, but see from here the pound has actually broken out of this triangle, and if it is able to close higher than this one, then it may continue towards 1.2775, beyond which I will turn bullish on this one. But till the time the price does not break 1.2775, I will be bearish on this market. On the downside, we have support at 1.2518, and below that 1.2374 in this market. This rising trend line on the daily chart may also be occurring, may also be acting as a support in the coming time in the pound. Looking at the lower time frames, what is happening in the pound? I think, yeah, pound is making higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour. Talking about the Australian dollar, well, the daily has broken higher. Now we are expecting a higher low and even a higher high, about 1.6625 in this market. Although there is a bearish pin bar, but it is not at the resistance. but at the support, so expect up move again tomorrow. But in any case, if the price starts going down from here, 0.6443 should start acting as a support, and if the price keeps going up, then 0.6625 should be acting as a first level of resistance. If you go to the low time frame, that is 4 hour, the price is making a higher high and higher low. If the price breaks below this low of this particular candle, which is 0.6533, then we may turn bearish on this one. New Zealand, we were expecting higher prices in the New Zealand dollar. Actually, we were looking for a pullback to this level before it goes to 0.6278. But anyways, that has not occurred. The price has made another higher high. But yes, pullback is due because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 continuous days of rise for the New Zealand dollar. This is like 1 in a million chance or 1 in a billion chance that you can get 9 continuous candles. This is very rare seen. So tomorrow or day after, we are expecting a pullback at least towards this triangle before it starts going higher. 0.6278 is the ultimate target in this one. Actually, not the ultimate target, but a very good resistance. 0.6370 is the ultimate target in this one. On the downside, if the price starts going, then when I will turn bearish? Well, I will turn bearish below 6038 in this market. USD we have described it earlier also that these highs may be tested. Okay, this high has not been tested. Anyways, the bias is still bullish. Okay, the price has made us made a bullish pin bar today, although it is below the resistance of 0.8821. We have a resistance of 0.9113 in this market, which is also a good target for us. If I create a channel to the upside, you will notice that this is passing through the very close vicinity, or you can say around 0.8699 area. So if the price drops to this level, you may find that it will rise again with a target of 0.9113. That is what I am expecting now on this one. It may be looking like a bullish pin bar, but I am expecting the price to fall tomorrow and day after, or even Monday next week, before it hits this the rising channel's support line. USD CAD, the price was trading during the day below this channel, but now, right now, when we are talking to each other, at that time it has entered the channel again. Now, if it closes higher than this, then it may still see 1.3620, and the bias is still bullish on this one. The bias will turn bearish only when the price falls below 1.3413 in this market. So the support for the USD CAD is 1.3413 and the resistance is 1.3620. In USD JPY also something similar is happening. The price was trading below this in this channel. This was a counter trending channel. Today the price has broken higher than this. If it closes the day higher than that, then 151.91 is a must in this market. On the other side, if the price starts going down, then 149.98 area should be acting as a good support. Below that, we can also witness 148.92. Looking at the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian, we have discussed about it that there is only this resistance line of 0.8278 that is stopping the price. Once it closed higher than that, then there is no looking back. 0.8417 is the first level of resistance which I'm expecting on this one. For some reason, if the price starts going down, then 0.8278 should be acting as a very good support. On the higher side, first level of resistance is 0.8417. Later on, there is a possibility that if it breaks higher from here, then all these highs will be tested with the ultimate objective of 0.8819 in this market. Bitcoin consolidation is still in place. Till the time the price is trading in this rectangle, we cannot be sure where the market is going, but I'm expecting an up move. This may be just consolidation before the next leg up. The next leg may go towards 59,235 area. Thereafter, we can have a look at the Brent. The Brent, although it is trying to rise from here, but I am not looking for buying this market. Why? Because just above this point, 84.62 area is a very good level of resistance. So you don't want to buy a market which is ending up in the resistance. So I will just stay away, and if the price goes higher than 82.62 like this, then maybe we will be looking for a buying opportunity with the target of higher prices, that is 95.97, and we'll be buying it like this. So now you can remove this channel and remove everything else, just focus on this one, right? Last is the gold. We have a view about gold that gold is expected to fall in the coming, say, 1 to 2 weeks. But yes, if it falls below 1931, then the next level will be 1810. So keep a sharp eye on what happens at 1931 levels or close to this area. I'm expecting a down move, and from here there may be a rise towards 2146 and 2188. Well, that is not mentioned here. So guys, that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you feel free to ask me that in the chat box that is provided. It is live. You are just 5 seconds away from me. Just ask your questions in writing in the chat box, and I will be very happy to answer that question. Or otherwise, if there is any particular pair other than these which I have discussed and it is being traded on the Dukascopy platform, you can ask me that also. We will do a top-down analysis right now in front of you. All right, guys, I see no questions coming up. So thank you very much for joining here. And I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. I just request you to remember only one thing, that only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade or less than that, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. That means if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your equity on that trade. You can adjust your position size in such a manner. Okay, now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars after that video is published. I wish you a good day. Thank you very much for watching. At any point of time in life or while watching this video, you feel like that you want to connect with me on my Skype. Here is my Skype handle on your screen right now. This is me, a soldier 123, and this is my YouTube channel, Bulls and Bears. If you want, you can visit it, find some interesting videos over there, and also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want to connect with me on the Skype handle is also listed. Thank you very much again for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye.